Hello, today I'm going to show you how to jumpstart a CRD using a power pack for this job. Of course, we open the car hood and the power pack is there for using. The power pack comes with two clamps. One clamp is red, one is black. The red clamp comes on the plus pole of your battery. So let's operate now. Where is the battery? If you're standing in front of your car, on the right side you see this box. This box you can open because there's a cover on top. Only get this to the front side, lift it over, and you can see a red wire. The red wire is the plus line, and the other wire is the minus. So we're going to attach now the red clamp of our power pack on the plus pole of our battery. And we can, of course, connect the minus pole with the black clamp. You can already use another ground point on your vehicle to use the black clamp as a different location for that. Then, of course, we have a seat because our power pack is now switched on and ready to use. And we are now pushing the brake, switch the ignition, and the engine should start immediately because now the energy which comes out the power pack will be used for operating to start the engine. If the engine is running, we shift to neutral and let the car or the engine runs as well. And then we disconnect the power pack and we keep running our engine because the alternator will reload the battery while this engine is running. All right. So now we get the clamps from the poles and we get the cover back in position. Job's done, baby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun.